Our frequencies up there, all the way across. But I know oh, the moon looks a bit closer actually, although it isn't. The reason I want to catch this is over there, see that bank of cloud? It's got frequencies in it.
Tifer's always biting anymore.
I know, but it's not hard, you can see it's not.
What is? You bring skin every single time, Tifer.
They're all striped, left to right, but as you can see, I'm trying to avoid the houses.
I can't tell if you're being sarcastic.
I'm being real, look. The side's good, instead of normal. No, it's hard to open that one, that's why his granddad and Jamie does it.
Over there.
No.
Oh, hurry up, Andy. I'm getting a bit shaky and lower to the ground here, so I'm going to have to hurry up. But anyway, just so you get an idea, that, I don't know, there's no aircraft showing us going over, but that, I'd say, over there is a Chem. It's got to have come across from the Pennines. That's all I can say about that one, because well, basically that's where the wind's coming from. I don't know who's done that one, it's gone across, but I haven't got a clue, so I'm going to have to let him get away with it. But it's mainly about that. And that. But yep, certainly a Chem. The frequencies on that Chem. It's a bloody nasty one, that one. He's heading our way all the same. Hello, little dicky bird. That's a giant shite oak. It's not a dicky bird.
Shall we have a look in that safe Grandad's lights button?
To see it in the mirror.
Yeah, 2 seconds of a safe Grandad's lights button.
Quick, she's going to go and check and see Brenda.
Right, I've got to go back to humanity.
Bailey, they're coming in fast! Quick!
Both together.
Both together, quick, out the back, run!
It's just 2! There are 2. Where's the 3rd one?
There's only 2, this one.
Only 2.
They're going over there to turn round.
She makes you probably get them over the houses again.
See it?
She can't tomorrow then.
Yeah, okay. Crazy cloud formation, that's a Chem, that top one.
Do you want to help me tomorrow,
Frequencies. Still just over top of houses. See, multiple directions over there. Just filmed the FA20s, I haven't got a bloody clue where they are, where they're turning. But oh, FRAs, I don't know if that was the old firm. They've all got FRA registrations. There you go, see frequencies up on that bit as well. Just under that break in the Chem. And if you can see the same as me there, but this lot, all coming from above that house. See the clouds coming in, and the clear bit there. They all seem to be coming from a central point, which is roughly there.